Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Waterloo Region housing market stats for April of 2020. Now the numbers are a little bit interesting because some of the figures are exactly as we expected them to be, and then some of the figures show a bit of a surprise for us. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of those key metrics. Median sales price was $525,000, which is up by 9% relative to April of 2019. Median days on market was 14 days, which is up by only 1 day. The total number of sales was 354, which is down by a significant 58.6%, and the total number of listings was 609, which is down by 52.7%. Now for me, the surprising figures within these metrics is the fact that the median sales price was up by 9% despite us being in a global pandemic. It's amazing to see that the real estate market has maintained strong prices for the homes that have sold. It's also interesting to see that the median days on market for the homes that have sold is still at 2 weeks. They're selling quickly. Now, there's something very important that we need to keep in mind here. These are the homes that have sold. There's also the active homes on the market that have not yet sold. At the time that I produced this video and blog, the average days on market for all active homes in Waterloo Region is at 40 days. So we're seeing that the homes that are selling quickly, but there's a significant amount of homes out there that have yet to sell and they've been out on the market for quite some time. Now to switch gears, the dramatic decrease in both new listings and new sales was exactly what we expected them to be in April. They're down significantly. The first 2 weeks of April showed dramatic decreases in listings and sales, down by I think it was about 70%. And for the total figures, it just shows that over the course of the month, new listings and new sales started to increase a little bit. Now it'll be interesting to see what happens in May. I do expect that listings and sales will be down relative to May of last year. There's no doubt about that. But I do think that it's going to be a busier month than April. I'm starting to get a lot of clients reaching out to me, asking about the market, asking about listings out there. So it does seem like people are starting to think about buying and selling again. Now, if you're thinking about buying or selling in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. My brokerage and I have put in strict protocols and procedures to maintain the safety for both our buyers and sellers as best as we could possibly do during these times, and also to get the job done for them. So, thanks for joining me today. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.